Hello, everybody. I welcome you again for my series on goods and services tax. Let us continue with question number 41 to 60. Question number 41. Which among the following is not related to e-way bill? Option A, RFID, B, IRN, C, Form GST ISN 01, and D, GSTR 9. The correct answer is GSTR 9. Objective number 42. Validity of e-way bill is A, 1 day for each 100 kilometers, 2 days for options are A, 1 day for each 100 kilometers, B, 2 days for each 100 kilometers, C, 1 day for each 200 kilometers, and D, 1 day for each 50 kilometers. Correct answer is 1 day for each 50 kilometers. The next objective, maintaining books of accounts in electronic form is A, compulsory, B, optional, C, compulsory if the turnover is more than 1 crore, D, compulsory if the turnover is more than 10 crore. Correct answer is option B, it is optional. Question number 44. When turnover during a financial year exceeds ... the accounts and the other record must be audited by a chartered accountant or a cost accountant. Options are A, 1 crore, B, 2 crore, C, 5 crore, D, 10 crore. Correct answer is B, 2 crores. Question number 45. Every registered person required to keep and maintain books of account or other records. A, for a period of 2 years, B, for a period of 3 years, C, for a period of 5 years, D, for a period of 6 years. Correct answer is for a period of 6 years. Question number 46. Final return in form GSTR 10 should be submitted A, within 1 year of registration, within 3 months of such cancellation of registration, within 3 months of outward supply, D, within 1 month of renewal of registration. The correct answer is B, within 3 months of such cancellation of registration. Next objective, government body or United Nations body. Then a monthly form GSTR 11 has to file A, GSTR 11, GSTR 8A, C, GSTR 9A, D, GSTR 5. The correct answer is GSTR 11. Next objective 48. A registered person under GST can file quarterly return if the turnover is A, 2 lakh or less, B, 75 lakh or less, C, 1 crore or less, D, 1.5 crore or less. 1.5 crore or less, and that too if he is registered under composition scheme. Next objective, electronic way bill is compulsory to move goods worth of A, 10,000 or more, B, 20,000 or more, C, 50,000 or more, or D, 1 lakh or more. The correct answer is C, 50,000 or more in case of a delivery of goods within 1 day. Option 50. GST Council meeting is convened A, every week, B, every month, C, every 3 months, D, anytime as required. The correct answer is anytime as required with previous notification. Objective 51. A registered person under GST can file quarterly return if the turnover is A, 2 lakh or less, B, 75 lakh or less, C, 1 crore or less, D, 1.5 crore or less. It is about composition scheme. The answer is 1.5 crore or less. 52. GSTIN refers to A, GST information number, B, GST information and network, C, general sales tax identification number, D, GST identification number. Correct answer is GST identification number. Objective 53. GST number does not include A. PAN, B. State code, C. Aadhaar number, D. Alphabet Z. C is the correct answer, Aadhaar number. Objective 54. A person getting registered online A gets simultaneous registration under CGST and SGST Act or UTGST Act. B gets CGST registration only. C gets SGST registration only. G does not get complete registration under GST. Answer is A gets simultaneous registration under GST Act and SGST Act or UTGST Act. Of question number 55. Details of outward supply shall be furnished in A. GSTR 3, B. GSTR 2, C. GSTR 1A, D. GSTR 1. Answer is G. GSTR 1. Objective 56. STR2A is auto-generated from A. GSTR 3, B. GSTR 2, C. GSTR 2A, D. GSTR 1. The answer is GSTR 1. Objective 57 gives the detail of goods and services received by the recipient. It is auto-populated out of GSTR1, submitted by different suppliers. What is auto-populated? The options are A. GSTR3, B. GSTR3B, C. GSTR2A, D. GSTR9. The answer is GSTR2A. 58. GSTR2 gives the details of A. All inward supplies, B. All outward supplies, C. Composite tax, D. TDS. The answer is all inward supplies. Objective 59. GSTR2A is made available on the 11th of the next month for the A. Recipient of supplies, B. Supplier, C. GST officers, D. Customers. The correct answer is, it is already given, recipients of supply. Objective 60. GSTR3 is auto-populated by 20th of the next month containing the details of A. Outward supplies, B. Inward supplies, all the outward as well as inward supplies, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. All outward as well as inward supplies. Objective 61. GSTR 4A is generated quarterly for A. GST dealers, B. Customers, C. Compensation scheme dealers or taxpayer, D. E-commerce operator. The correct option is C. Compensation scheme taxpayers. Here we end our series. This series, let do watch us for the next questions of GST MCQs. Thank you so much.